Where are you guys going? Where are you going? Are you going to the vet? Yeah, you're going to the vet. You need a jab today. Day 4 or 5. How many days, Telly?
Tuesday, so.
Tuesday at midnight. So all Wednesday, all Thursday, all Friday, all Saturday. So yeah, this is day 5. Your 5th day. Okay, let's go for a ride. Okay. Hi guys, this is the vet. This is the vet. You're the cutest thing. Now, you stay on your chair a minute.
Oh, can you bring them out now?
Yeah, we can bring them. Let me put the passports in my back pocket here. Your vaccination passports. Yeah, you're all fancy. Okay, who's ready to go to the vet? Okay, bye. You're gonna get weighed. That's gonna be fun. Did you like the car? Oh, did you like the car too? Good. Okay.
Ears are slightly dirty. They're just with cotton.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? He's okay.
Good.
He's fine. He's healthy. Just the way we like them. Okay, let me.
Hey Churchill, this is the vet. You're gonna love it. Right? Yeah, you're gonna love it. Just relax. You probably like the cold. First impressions of the vet?
No.
No. Not impressed? Are you impressed? I'm not getting the feeling. First impressions of the vet? You like it, right? Says I don't mind it. You don't mind it. Good, yeah. They're like little frogs.
Oh, sorry, I just realized they're born 23rd April.
Mm.
So they'll be exactly 3 months on 23rd.
They're different.
July.
They're different days.
Oh, so this one is. Let me.
He's the oldest.
Okay, let me see. Because otherwise, then one of them I'll have to hold off on the rabies.
Because you're still young. That's why you're a flower. You're a flower waiting to bloom.
August 17th. Okay, these I can do.
How was the vet, Mir?
Good. Churchill survived.
Did he cry? Did he whimper?
He did.
How much does he weigh? 9 kilos. And what about little miss?
Same.
9 kilos. Because you eat a lot, even though you're younger. Oh. Hi. How was the ride? One first. Oh, come here, heavy girl. I got ya. Oh. Want me to take him?
I can get him out.
Okay.
Hey, buddy. Come. You want to stay in the car?
Just
Can't happen. Yes, come out.
gotta come out. Come on, Churchy. Let's go. He doesn't like being moved. He's like, I will tell you when I'm moving. There. Everybody's home. Everybody's home. How was the vet? Was it great? Is it lunchtime? It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. Okay, let's go for a little walk. We have lunch.